Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. It's Monday, December 29th, 2025. I will be trading Palantir, ticker PLTR on the 1 minute chart. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. All right. Almost 5 hours in this trade. So let's see if I remember what happened because it's been a long time. Okay. When the market opened, I think this was the low of yesterday. It was like that. Let me see if I'm correct because I delete the line. Yes, but this was not even a pivot, just one bar, but still the low of yesterday. So when the market opened here, gap down, has this huge gap here, I was bullish because of this low here, but everything looked bearish, like, you know, gap down, put this two huge red bar here. Also gave me a bearish pattern. I was thinking it was gonna give me a bullish, but it didn't. But since my bias was bullish, I didn't enter in this trade. I was waiting for a bullish setup. It has this low of some day back then. I was hoping to give me a pattern closer to this because most likely it was gonna come here and retest it, but that doesn't mean it happens every time. It gave me this pattern here, this bullish pattern, but I hesitate to enter this pattern because of this low, but it worked. Of course it worked. And then broke this channel here. I was a little hesitant at first because it has two patterns already, and then I didn't take it. And then I said, well, it looks more bearish than bullish because also on the top. So since it broke this channel here and also gave me this wedge here, it broke. I entered on the retest like right here, and that's what I've been doing all day. So now finally hit my target. Yeah, as soon as I hit my target, just, you know, it moves past. It's amazing. So this trade, it took a long time. Wow, I think it's because of the, you know, holidays, the end of the year type of thing. So that's the trade for today. I followed my plan. I waited for the setup and I execute without forcing anything. The entry was clear, the stop was set, so I exit based on my rules, no emotions. The win isn't the money. The win is that I stayed disciplined and didn't overtrade. Tomorrow the goal stays the same. Show up, follow the plan, and let the market do the rest. Thanks for watching.